Alright, and hello everyone. So yeah, this is my pizza, and today I'm going to show you how to reheat this pizza the easiest way that I know possible. So what we're going to do is, and that's just some tomato sauce I made. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and turn this all the way up to about 425. I'm just picking 425 because it's just a round number between 450 and 400. My stove never gets to either one of those numbers. I do have a fancy ThermoPro thing right here that could tell me what to do. I still have that on, by the way. I don't know why, my battery's gonna die. But I do have one of those that I could probably check and make my own measurements and know where my dial is to know where my stove will be. But that does not matter right now. What matters is that we need to preheat this oven to get this pizza ready. And look at this pizza. What we got here is just a regular grandma pie with some anchovies, some fresh mozzarella, red pepper, a little bit of shiitake mushrooms. Here, let me take off some of this film to get at some of that, and some pineapple. As you can see, I love delicious pineapple. It is the best thing to eat. I'm going to cover that back up so that way it doesn't get too dry. And then what I'm going to do is once this oven is done preheating, I'm going to show you what's next. Alright, so now that we're done preheating, let's go ahead and take this shit off right here. And I'm going to throw that away. And now, you see, our pan, we used it from yesterday. We didn't really clean it. We just threw it in the fridge. It's all good. So we're going to use some of that natural oil that we used in the initial cooking process to aid in stopping this from sticking again. So now what you want to do is open up your oven. And you see right there, it's all hot and everything. And you just take this, slide it right in, and you just set it and forget it, homeboy. You set a timer for about 15-20 minutes. It'll be good again. Probably not that long. I'm probably only gonna let it go for 10 minutes, but you know, this is cooking. Who cares? And look at that fucking delicious sauce right there. Olive oil, oregano, salt. It does not get any better than that. Alright, so you see that it's still there, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you how it's done. Now, you may be asking me, why is your stove so damn dirty? Well, that's because I choose to put aluminum foil right here on my coils. My stove is shit. I live in an apartment. I don't got the option to get a better stove. It's not available to me. So what I choose to do is I take the only big coil, the rest are small, as you can see there. I take the only big coil that I have. And what I do is I put aluminum foil under the metal casing underneath of it, just to protect from drippings and so that I don't scorch that up too much. So by the time I move out of here, I'm not gonna have to replace those for them, or I'm not gonna leave them in such a position that they cannot be cleaned in the first place. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my disgusting oven, and I hope you like it. There's some nice fried rice from the other day and some other things I did not clean that you will see in the video. I would show you the rest of the kitchen, but, you know, maybe we'll do a full tour the other day. Right now you'll see just a gander at my spices and this little crock pot cookie right here. Oh my god, it's so cool. Imagine just pulling off the lid right here. You just take it up and then boom, you got some salt. That's just premium kosher salt. The best stuff in the world. You can't buy any better salt than this. As you can see, McCormick is the biggest brand in cooking, and I have all of them on my shelf. They do not sponsor me, but man, do I love their affordable but premium products. Oh my god, it's so good. Alright, well, I'll see you later. Alright y'all, welcome back, and now, as you can see, my oven is still dirty. It is still the same video, and what we're gonna do here is basically take this pizza right out of the oven again. Now remember, we're just reheating this pizza so that we can eat it and have a nice breakfast, because you know, the breakfast of champions is the most important meal of the day. You kind of need this to keep going. You need that fuel in your body. So in order to retrieve this, I'm gonna need a very special tool. This is called my oven mint. What it does is it allows me to grab hot things like this burner. Ah! Okay, actually it's not hot. You see that burner is not on. I played you. So what we're gonna do, and this is for Realio Delio, is open up this oven. Whoo, that's hot. Oh, my hands are burning. But let me go ahead and get a close-up shot for you. If I drop my recording device into this, it will absolutely burn and stick to the oven forever. So what we're gonna do is grab this out. All right. And I'm gonna be focused more on putting this onto the counter more than your video quality because I don't want to burn myself. Let's be real, I am more important than this video. At least that's what I tell myself every day. Alright, oven mitt off. I'm not going to touch this. I'm going to let this sit for at least a few minutes. Now, as you can probably hear, I'm going to shut up for a second. I don't know if you can hear that, but that pizza is sizzling. That means it is reheated, ready to go, ready to be eaten again. Now, when I first originally made this pizza, you see this corner right here? That was over here, and the rest was over here. Yes, I'm that fat, and I ate it. I do have an SO to eat this with, so I didn't eat it all by myself. I don't want anyone thinking I did. But damn, was it good. Oh, this is a good pizza. Oh, I can't wait to cut into it. Anyway, this probably is going to be the conclusion for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this anchovy mushroom pineapple pizza. I'm sure that's everyone's favorite pizza. No one ever says that it is not their favorite pizza. I give this to anyone, and I dare you to try it, and you'll probably say, woo, that is some salty ass fucking anchovies. Alright, and with that, I hope you guys have a really great day, and, you know, stay safe out there, and I love you, and thanks for tuning in. Bye. Oh, one last important thing. Make sure you turn off your oven. You make sure that you turn it all the way off. That way that the light is off, even though the oven heating light is on, but it doesn't matter. Alright, now I'm going to enjoy this pizza. Yes, I put barbecue sauce on that. It is the bee's knees. Alright, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.